Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Rezolve AI stock. This one today is up by 2.54%, and I think overall it's been a relatively good day. I'm going to be speaking about why, giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions over the course of tonight's video. If it sounds like a good episode, please do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, as always, do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now jumping straight into this one, today the stock is up, and like I say, not by too much, especially compared to what we've seen over the last couple of days. You will know, coming in from the mid part of last week, if we zoom in ever so slightly, the stock since about Wednesday, I want to say, has been climbing steeply, and the subsequent consequence of that has been that RSI has been coming along with it. The good news about where we are now though, the RSI today did fall ever so slightly, with the growth that we've seen being relatively small compared to what we saw over recent days and weeks. At the same time, we are coming up very close to levels of support and resistance that I do want to pay a lot of attention to, most notably the resistance levels to the upside. I'm seeing initial difficulty with the stock today breaking above numbers around the 490 range. We saw this back on Tuesday last week, so it's not exactly a new range, but it is something to pay attention to. Above that, I'm looking to break above numbers around 495 and of course up to the $5 range. This is my main objective. If you can see a push really above 510, I think we're in that question mark range to see a potential breakout. But again, with the RSI being so high, we do want to see a slow melt up there for that potential strength to continue building. At the same time, if you do not see that, a great situation to see would be a support around about here. We have seen supports in this range before. You're looking at numbers like we saw here, potentially around the 480 range, maybe 470. You've also seen numbers slightly higher around the 485 range, maybe back around this time period too. If you see this, the same thing happens. We allow the stock to build a level of support for that potential push, levels of strength to hopefully see it go higher into the near future. If you do not see this, I'm looking at drops potentially down to the 460s, maybe down to the 450s. So I think overall things right now are looking good. Of course, my hope is that this growth will continue into the future. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments though, so do drop me a comment down below. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.